voices today. I'm ready to swear that I will never forget them. I hear your words today. I'm ready to swear that I will never betray them. But please promise that you will never leave me. Please promise that you will never leave me. Congratulations, you all are heroes. You all are heroes of this story with no end. Congratulations. Our dear mentor said that we'll never be aware of the feeling of regret. No feelings of regret. Congratulations.